Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today we're going to continue our questions to ask your local crawl space encapsulation contractor. If you didn't get a chance to see the first 6 questions we asked, I'm going to put a link to that video down below. Let's get started. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, indoor air quality. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, follow us on Facebook. Also check out our DIY store and our franchise opportunity. Last video, I ended it with, does the company do mold remediation, and if they do, the insurance that they need and all that sort of stuff. But today I want to talk about the different types of mold cleaning that they can offer. I would ask that as well. What type of mold cleaning do you do, Mr. Crawl Space Encapsulation Contractor? Are you going to do a soda blasting where you visibly remove all the mold off the joist? Are you going to go in there and scrub it off? Are you going to use HEPA vacuuming? And then once all that's done, are you going to apply some type of disinfectant? And then once that's done, are you going to put on a protectant to keep it from coming back? So those are some good questions to ask. So that would be question number 7. Question number 8 I would ask is, okay, Mr. Mold remediator that's going to encapsulate my crawl space, what about the humidity and the wood moisture level of the wood? You showed me that the wood moisture is high. The humidity is obviously high because I have mold down there. Are you going to dry out the wood and lower that humidity prior to beginning any mold remediation? Or are you just going to go in there with all the wood being wet and squirt some kind of bleach solution or some kind of disinfectant on there? Tell me your process on how you're going to dry the space out prior to getting started with that mold, because believe it or not, most contractors do not dry the space out, and then the mold can return within 24 to 48 hours after they applied the disinfectant to the wood, so you don't want to have to treat it again if the wood is still wet. The next question I would ask is, do you offer a guarantee? So a guarantee would be like a satisfaction guarantee or something before you hand over final payment. So in other words, are you going to show me pictures that all the work has been done? You're guaranteeing the work is completed properly. You're guaranteeing I'm going to be happy with the work before I give you a final payment. Okay, number 10, believe it or not, there is a difference between a warranty and a guarantee. So a guarantee would be like, I'm making sure you're 100% satisfied, guarantee, but a warranty would be like, let's say the dehumidifier breaks a year from now, who's going to take care of that for you? And then within that, you have 2 types of warranty. There's a workmanship warranty offered by the encapsulation contractor, and then there might be a manufacturer's warranty on the products that they install, like the dehumidifier or the sump pump. So ask them what their warranties are. At Crawl Space Ninja, our dehumidifiers and our sump pumps are covered for 5 years by the manufacturer, but we also offer a service agreement that can offer a lifetime warranty that Crawl Space Ninja takes over after the manufacturer warranty has expired. There's also warranties on the workmanship or perhaps the plastic being installed, or the Easy Flow has a 100-year plus warranty on it, which is really great. Easy Flow does a great job with their water management system products and different things like that. So make sure all that is explained to you so you know what kind of warranties are applicable for your encapsulation. And real quick on warranties, is there a mold warranty? Now, Crawl Space Ninja, as far as I know, is one of the only companies that offers any kind of mold warranty, and some companies won't even guarantee that they take care of the mold properly. So our gold and platinum systems have a 1-year standard mold warranty that could be extended to life of the crawl space encapsulation. So make sure you ask your local representative about our mold warranties as well. So question number 12 I would ask that goes along with the mold and the encapsulation and keeping the crawl space dry is, if you are drying out the crawl space, Mr. Encapsulation Professional, what guarantees do I have that the crawl space is going to stay dry? In other words, are you going to install a dehumidifier, and is that dehumidifier going to be permanently installed so that it controls humidity and wood moisture level on a continual basis? Or are they just putting in a temporary dehumidifier to dry the crawl space out and then removing it after they do the mold remediation and the plastic is up? Because believe it or not, there are some companies out there that don't believe in installing permanent dehumidifiers, and we feel like that is the best way to make sure the humidity is controlled all the time. So that's a good question to ask. Okay, so that completes question number 12 for your local crawl space encapsulation contractor. But guess what? I have more questions you should ask, so I'm going to do a new video coming out here pretty soon on that. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.